Welcome to my channel. This is Atefeh. Today I'm going to talk about quick tips for styling your coffee table. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules when it comes to decorating, but there are some guidelines that can help make your coffee table truly exquisite. Number 1. Odd numbers. Use odd numbers when styling your coffee table. Try placing 1, 3, or 5 objects on your table. Odd numbers create a visually pleasing arrangement that adds depth and interest. Number 2. Variation in size. Variation in the size of objects placed on your coffee table can truly make it look amazing. By combining different variations, you create a visually appealing and dynamic arrangement that captures attention. Imagine having 3 objects of the same size on your table. It might lack interest and appear monotonous. Instead, consider incorporating a combination of sizes. For example, place a small decorative item alongside a slightly larger one and complete the arrangement with a larger centerpiece. This interplay of sizes adds depth, dimension, and a sense of balance to your coffee table decor. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment and find the perfect balance that suits your personal style and preferences. Number 3. Your style. Your coffee table should reflect your personal style. Knowing your favorite interior design style is essential. While you may not be able to decorate your entire home in your preferred style, your coffee table offers a perfect opportunity to showcase it. Check out my channel for videos on different interior styles to discover your favorite. Number 4. A story. Your coffee table should tell a story about you. It should showcase your likes, interests, or what's important to you. Avoid blindly replicating coffee table aesthetics from Pinterest. Instead, customize your coffee table with objects that hold sentimental value or represent aspects of your personality. Number 5. The power of foliage. Adding foliage to your coffee table is truly an amazing idea. Not only does it bring a touch of the outdoors inside, but it also serves as a beautiful piece of nature in your living space. The vibrant greens and delicate textures of foliage instantly breathe life and freshness into your ambience. The best part is that it's completely free and available. You can simply step outside, whether it's your garden, a nearby park, or even walk in nature, and pick some leaves or branches to adorn your coffee table. It's a sustainable and cost-effective way to enhance the aesthetics of your space while connecting with the beauty of the natural world. Go ahead and embrace the power of foliage. It's an effortless yet impactful addition to your coffee table decor. Number 6. Avoid one-dimensional objects. Here's a bonus tip for you. Avoid placing one-dimensional objects like a photo frame on your coffee table. These objects cannot be seen from all angles and may look flat or uninteresting. Number 7. Update your coffee table with seasons. And finally, don't forget that you can update your coffee table with the changing seasons or even on a monthly basis. It doesn't have to cost you anything. Curate objects from things you already have, and it can be a fun and cost-effective way to refresh your living room. And that wraps up our quick tips for styling your coffee table. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.